Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to compare OneNote and Google Keep. OneNote is a digital note-taking application by Microsoft designed to help users organize their thoughts, tasks, and projects across devices. It allows users to create notebooks, sections, and pages with text, images, audio, and even drawings, making it versatile for both personal and professional use. It integrates well with other Microsoft apps like Word, Excel, and Teams, which can be handy for collaboration. Users can access notes on the web, desktop, and mobile devices, ensuring flexibility. However, its interface can feel cluttered for beginners, and syncing issues have been reported. While it offers powerful features, its low ratings on Trustpilot reflects frustrations with usability and performance. On the other side, Google Keep is a simple, cloud-based note-taking app that lets users quickly capture ideas, check lists, photos, and voice memos. Its interface is clean and easy to use, with color-coded notes and labels for organization, and it syncs seamlessly across devices through Google accounts. To add notes, you can type it in the given area and save it. If you want to add images to your notes, it will give you the icon to add image. Users can set reminders, collaborate with others, and integrate notes with Google Docs and Calendar, making it practical for personal and light work use. However, it lacks advanced formatting and organizational features compared to competitors. While it is fast and convenient, some users report occasional syncing bugs and limited functionality. Its ratings on Trustpilot reflects a mix of satisfaction for simplicity and frustration over its limitations. Let's talk about the pricing, pros and cons of OneNote. OneNote offers a free basic version. Full features are available via Microsoft 365 at $6.99 per month for personal. On the positive side, OneNote offers rich multimedia notes, hierarchical organization, and integration with Microsoft apps. On the downside, it can be complex, some features are behind a paywall, and it requires a Microsoft account. Let's talk about the pricing, pros and cons of Google Keep. Google Keep is free to use. Extra storage is available via Google One at $1.99 per month for 100 GB. On the positive side, Google Keep is simple, fast, intuitive, integrates with Google services, and works cross-platform. On the downside, it has limited formatting and organization, is not ideal for long-form notes, and offers fewer advanced features. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.